Okay, so now that you've created your account, you're on this page. What's the next thing to do? The first thing that you're going to want to do is go through and kind of understand what the different things on the platform are. So you're going to create your offers here to create an offer. And what is an offer? That's one of those links that will show up, and we'll show you that in a second. All you do is give it a title, say how much the reward is. You can give it a subtitle, give it a URL, and then choose one of the icons. That's it. They will be rewarded for clicking and taking action with that thing. So you'll see all your customers will start showing up in your customer dashboard. So you have all your customers there. Your connections are the different connections. We have a few different platforms that you can connect with. We'll continue building more connections going forward. But for now, here is the connection here for Shopify. As you want to create your coupons, you'll click on the little gear icon and you can create different coupons to say 10 credits is worth $5. I could say 20 credits is worth, say, $11, and so forth. I can go on and on. Say 50 is worth whatever the numbers that you want to say. So this is just an example of being able to create rewards and be able to create the coupons. So you can set the level however you want to set it. That's totally up to you. Now from here, I can go ahead and go to some of the branding, and here's where you're going to install the widget. This is the snippet of code. So you're just going to click to enable. You're going to take this snippet of code and you're going to go into your Shopify store, and it's really easy to add a snippet of code. So just follow along as I'm doing this. So I'm on my themes right now, and I can go into the actions and edit code. So pretty simple so far, right? And then theme liquid, which this is just your Shopify theme, and then just drop it down here at the bottom. So I just clicked right here, enter, and just dropped it right there. That's it. If you don't want to use code, there's third-party softwares that you can use to put code into the footer, and you can go on and grab that from the App Store. But in terms of inserting the code, that's very simple, and it's done. So here's my store. I'll go ahead and refresh, and the rewards are installed. So you watch me install this in real time. I just installed this in less than a minute. And then you can start creating your offers. These offers here are the exact same as these offers here. So you can either go here and create those offers or go here and create those offers. Either way, it's the same place. In the appearance, you can click and choose a button setting color. You can choose the background setting color to whatever you like on your system here, and click save. And then the banner, this is a top banner that you can put up, and this banner will show on your customer when they log into their MyCredits dashboard. That banner will show. So you can program a hyperlink. You can add multiple banners. You can have sliders, all of that. And everything else is settings and setting up your settings for them. So that's it. The things that you need to focus on: install the widget and create your offers. What are some offers that you can create? Here are some examples. So follow me on Facebook, subscribe on YouTube, follow me on Instagram, and all of these can be reordered. All you have to do is just click and reorder them, so you can order them in any which way that you want. And then these are all videos that I have that I want people to watch. Those videos are going to show them the value of what it is that we're doing. You could have a webinar, you could have a sales page, you could have whatever it is that you want them to click on and consume that content. You can add that as an offer. You can give a value to that time that's being spent. And we're going to continue making more ways that they can earn and more ways that they can redeem. So we're going to continue making this platform for you. And I encourage you, give us feedback. Please give us feedback on this platform. To give us feedback, go to mycredits.com and then scroll down to the bottom, and you'll be able to contact support. So you'll be able to click right here and then choose this option as you are a company, and you'll be able to submit this support form right here. Give us feedback. We want to help you to increase your engagement, get more return customers, and increase your revenue using MyCredits. So we need your feedback in order to make the application better. And the better we make the application, the better we can serve you. Thank you so much for using MyCredits, and I look forward to hearing from you and hearing about your experience using our technology.